this is my Airtable home. If I go to my workspaces, there are a lot of pre-existing workspaces. For example, there is something called user studies. Inside user studies, I have feedback session, people, companies. So there are many workspace and many tables inside each workspace. So I come here, I follow this guideline to get my credit credential for API, and I paste the access token over here. Now I come to bases and tables, go to Airtable and fetch bases and tables. So this will give me list of all the workspaces and all the corresponding tables inside those workspaces. In my case, the number of workspaces and tables is little bit on the higher end. So it's taking a little bit more time. Depending on how many tables you have in your Airtable account, it will take some time to fetch that. Now we have the bases and tables fetched here. So for example, over here, I see the user studies, which has the feedback session. So I'll say fetch this data. Yes. Companies. Yes. And there is something called videos over here. And I say fetch this data. So basically what I'm saying is I need the data from these three tables. In the VLOOKUP workspace, there is a table called video. This is the table name. This is the base name. In the user studies space, there is a table called feedback session, and in the user studies, there is called companies. I go here and say fetch records. What this will do is it will create one sheet for every table that we have selected. In the VLOOKUP videos, there was no record to be fetched, so this is blank. In the user back feedback session, this is the header, and these are all the records that it has fetched. In the company section, this is the data that it has fetched. So it's a very easy way. Anytime if I go here and click again, because only these three are selected, it will simply update all the existing information if there is any changes. I can go ahead and say, okay, I also want this table and I also want this table, and click on fetch records. It will update the existing one and also create a new page for the newly selected table that we have selected.